we're gonna do the video, man. You guys already read the title, you already know, man, what the video is gonna be about. So basically, me and my boy
TLEXX
gonna rate some YouTuber and celebrities from 1 to 10, man. We're gonna give our honest opinion and answers, man. You feel me? So we're not gonna just rate them. We're gonna say why we give them 10 or 7, like, you know, whatever number we decided to give them. So basically, man, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe if you're new to my channel, man. And don't forget to follow my boy
TLEXX,
man. So make sure you follow me too. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first one we have is Megan Thee Stallion. So I will go with you first, but you have to give your honest opinion, bro.
I'll give her an 8.
8. Why 8?
Because she looks good, but she's not like a wow. Your beauty is not like incredible.
Alright. For me personally, I would give her a 6.
Oh,
what you mean, oh, bro? Like, yo, she's not attractive to me, bro. Like, real talk, real talk, bro. Like, I swear, bro, she's not. I mean, she has a good-looking body, but at the end of the day, it's not about that. You feel me? It's all about your personality. I feel like she has a good personality.
We're rating looks.
I know, but like, still, bro. Like, if I'm rating looks, like, I have to go deeper than that. You feel me?
She has a bad personality.
I mean, I'm not saying like from the way like I see her on social media, but I don't like her vibe like that. You feel me?
Yeah.
I really don't like her vibe, but so I'm sorry, but I would give her a 6, man. But when it comes to me, bro, I'm really picky, bro. You already know that I'm picky. I mean, she got a nice looking body and all that. You feel me? She's a freak, but like it's the way like she laughing and all that. But that's I know I'm not the only one who thinks that, but that's like a bad vibe to me, bro. That's a turn off. I real talk. So I got the first one. So which one you got on your list?
Cardi B.
Cardi B. Well, you know what? I would give her a 7.
Wow, you put her
like, I mean, you know why? Cause she used to be a stripper, but she worked so hard to get like to make her name. You feel me? It's like she worked so hard to, like, you know, become the person that she is today. So
give her a 7.
Yeah, like she's really funny, bro. I like that. Like if I was able like to get with her and stuff, I'm pretty sure she will like make me laugh every day. Yeah. So like I like that about her. So I will give her a 7. You say 7?
Yeah.
Alright. I mean, comment below to let us know what you will give Megan or Cardi B, man. So the next one we have, man, Bad Girl C. That's our own girl, man. You already know the vibe. So Bad Girl C, what would you give her, bro?
7.
7? Why 7?
She looks good.
Don't be shy, bro. Talk your shit, bro. Talk your shit. You seen her in person, bro.
Yeah, in person it's like, a strong 7, bro.
Strong 7.
Her personality is just funny.
Yeah. Man, to be honest with you, I would give her a 7.5.
Okay.
Yeah, 7.5. Because the reason why I would give her a 7.5 is because, I mean, I hang out with her and stuff. I see the type of person she is. But I feel like, bro, she's kind of crazy, bro. She's kind of crazy, man. But she's cool as fuck, though. Don't get me wrong. She's cool as fuck. But, yo, you know she's from New York, but
New York guys are crazy.
Hell yeah, bro. But, yeah, that's the reason why I would give it. But, I like, other than that, but she's cool as fuck. Like, yeah, she's really cool. So, yeah, 7.5, man. Shout out to Bad Girl C. But,
next one. Saviana, aka
Helena.
Yeah.
Then people gonna be like, what the fuck is that? But like, yeah, she has a lot of followers on Instagram. We know her and stuff. So you feel me? I feel like she's a very beautiful woman. I would give her an 8, bro. 8. She's cute as fuck, bro. I ain't gonna lie, but the reason, if I said 8, I have to give you a why I'm saying 8. So the reason I'll give her an 8 is because she has a nice personality, but if you really know her or hang out with her, you will love her vibes. Like, she's really, really, like, you know, fun to be around with and stuff. And then if she's like, if she fuck with you, she will make sure you know you good and stuff. I like that about her. I remember, you know, when I wasn't getting out and stuff, like some shit happened, she was there to help me. You were there too. She was there like and stuff, you know, helping us out and stuff. I'm not gonna say what I wasn't and stuff because I don't want to get into detail, but she looked like the type of person, like if she say like she's gonna walk with you, but no matter what, she's gonna be there. But so 8 for Selena or Elena. So yeah, shout out to you, girl. Much love. What about you, bro?
9.5.
Oh shit! hey, I can TLEXX.
Nah, shit.
You sure, bro? You don't wanna shoot your shit?
Nah, bro.
Why not?
She's just my friend.
You guys will look cute together. Alright, the next one I have on my list, man. You already didn't know, man. Kennedy Simon, like she's a YouTuber out there, so yeah.
She goes out with DDG.
So yeah, what would you rate her?
10.
10?
No cap. Her personality, her looks,
But
her body.
what does that mean? You wanna? Hey, but
10.
I would give her a 9, bro. I hope you don't see that video. He's still gonna get mad because he doesn't play about Kennedy, but I like that though. But yeah, I'm not gonna go into detail, bro. I will give her a 9, just because.
Alright.
So the next one, who do you have? Ooh, I know. I got Shansia, bro. Shansia. Oh my God, bro. That's a 10 for me. That's a 10 for me.
Finally.
That's a 10 for me, man. Oh my God, that girl is fun as fuck.
Yeah,
that's a 10 for me, man. Hey, she's Jamaican, bro. I love these Jamaican people, bro. That would drive you crazy, man. Like, walk off your back. Hey, walk off your back. Ah! No, Shansia, man, she's fucking, oh my God. That girl is fucking cute as fuck, man. Like, what do you love about her, bro?
Her looks, bro. She looks good. She always looks good.
Hell yeah, man. Like, I feel like, you know how girls be doing too much on social media, but she doesn't try, bro. So she don't try. Yeah, exactly, bro. Like, she's just fucking pretty, bro. Like, she's gorgeous, man. So I would give her a 10, man. Just because she don't really try, because I don't like when girls on social media be trying so hard to get people attention and stuff. So but her, it's naturally, man. So Shansia, I'm Haitian, so me and you got the same connection, man. So holla at me. I'm gonna DM you tonight. So I can get that digit, you feel me? So I'm trying to shoot my shot. I hope I don't miss.
Caribbean,
Rihanna, oh man. But I would give Rihanna like 8, but she's not that pretty to me anyway.
That people say, the way people say.
Yeah, like she look good. I ain't gonna lie, but like she's not all that. You feel me? Like I would give her an 8. What about you? But
9.
I love her accent though. Whenever she's talking, but that shit turn me on.
9.8. Her style. What she's doing right now.
Oh yeah, I like what she's doing and stuff. She's making her money, man. Yeah, she's doing good.
She's doing a lot.
Oh,
and
bro.
she looks good.
Hell
and she
yeah.
reps for the Caribbean.
Yeah. So next one, bro. Foreign Cassie. I will let you go first, but come on.
8.5.
8.5. Why?
She's very pretty.
So what else? That's it. You guys.
I don't know her personality really, but
Alright.
she's just very pretty. So I just.
Me. I mean, for me, bro, she's a 10 for me, bro. She's a 10. Cause like I be talking to her like you know often and stuff. So that's my dog. You feel me? Most of the pictures she we really close. Most of the pictures she be posting, but I always the one that see them first. Like she always asking me which one should I post first, blah blah blah. So I always tell her like, you know, that's how close we are. You feel me? So like we always like FaceTime and stuff. Her personality is dope. She's funny. She always make me laugh, man. That's my dog. Hey, we're not together, by the way. I don't want people to think that the reason I'm talking good about her, like, you know, there's something going on. But nah, man, we've been knowing each other for 2 years now, so she just cool, man. So a 10, man. Her personality is on point, bro. So yeah, one Cassie. You got a 10 from me. But who you got, bro?
Beyonce.
Beyonce. Man, I knew we were gonna say that, bro. But Beyonce, bro, like people just talk about her, but I don't really see why. But I guess because she's Beyonce. But yo, the reason why people talk about it, like I said, because she's Beyonce. But since she's Beyonce, well, I would give her a 10 too. But I would give her a 10. But like, no, she's a 10. But she's beautiful, man.
She's a 12, bro. Like,
but a lot of people
broke this guy.
Yeah, I mean, not. I'm picky, bro. You feel me? Like I said, I'm picky. So, but she's a 10 for real.
Yeah.
You never hear like her name in the drama, but she always like, you know, I like that, man. Like I don't like females who are always like and like talking about other people and shit, but like always I don't like that. But yeah, she's a 10 for me. But the next one I got, but what's that girl name? She was with Tiger.
Kylie?
No. She was with Tiger. She was going out with what? MIDJ, whatever.
Black China?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, man, bro. That's a 4.
Well, like I don't want to disrespect her, but I would give her a 4.5. Nah, I mean no disrespect, man. Like no disrespect. Like I don't really. I see her, like you find her attractive like that, like you said, but we'll talk.
Yeah.
But what about you? You don't wanna give her a number?
Yeah, she's too plastic, bro. I like real.
Damn, this nigga said she's too plastic. Damn.
Oh my god! Wow!
That's why she's really fragile and stuff. So basically, like if you touch her, like in the kind of way her shit gonna pop out.
Yeah.
But damn. But
Yeah.
but you gotta give her a number, bro.
I said 4.
Oh, 4? Shit,
Yeah.
I didn't hear you. But who we got next?
You know who Cardi B's sister is?
I mean, you talking about what's in Diamond?
Hennessy.
NSC? Oh, yeah, what did I say, Diamond? Yeah, she's into girl, right?
Yeah.
Let me see a picture.
To me, she's pretty.
NSC. She look good. I would give her a 7.5. Just because she has a nice body and stuff.
I'll give her 8. To me, she's prettier than Cardi.
Yeah, I think they're Dominican, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, she can call me Papi. Come give me that D. But yeah, man, she will get a 7.5 for me. So let me see. How many girls was that, bro? How many girls was that?
I didn't count.
That was a lot. That was a lot, man. So the last one, man, we gotta look for a bad bitch. That girl, she's Haitian, bro. Nicole. I be Nicole. There you go. Yeah, bro. What would you give her?
6.
6?
Yeah.
You sure you would give her a 6, bro?
Yeah. Without makeup, bro.
That's one of the things that be turning me off too, bro. Like, girl.
She's not all that.
But yeah, for me, but I don't know her like that. I don't be watching her video. I'll just be seeing her picture on Explore and the Explore page. But I would give her a 6. You said 6?
Yes. 6.
Yeah, that was the last one, guys. So make sure you comment below to let us know which one was your favorite one out of all the people that we said, man. So make sure you like this video and share with your friends so they can watch this video too. So don't forget to subscribe. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm out, man.
Digits on the